Multidisciplinary teams are composed of members from more than one discipline so they can offer great services to a patient. A multidisciplinary team does their own work with little knowledge of the other discipline's work. There is a hierarchy with this approach, with the medical doctor being the leader. Each discipline has its own treatment plan that is implemented and evaluated for effectiveness without agreement on treatment goals. There is no expectation that each discipline will agree on treatment goals. An interdisciplinary team is a group of professionals from different disciplines working together and usually meet on a regular basis. This team works independently to achieve the same goals for their patient. Information about the patient is communicated amongst the team, usually during team meetings, and this approach is considered to have the higher quality of team performance. The main difference between interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary teams is communication across disciplines and overlapping of responsibilities. In the case of Mr. Johnson, an interdisciplinary approach would be more beneficial so that each task is communicated between everyone. If there is no communication, then each discipline doesn't know the progress this patient has made. Mr. Johnson has been admitted 5 times within a year, and using the interdisciplinary approach will increase the performance of the team to help treat his condition and limit his hospital visits.